Hey everyone! Welcome to the future of YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see before clicking on a video, and AI can now create them for you. But how good is AI at creating thumbnails that go viral? Should you trust AI over a visual designer? Today, we're diving into how AI-powered tools can generate beautiful, high click-through rate (CTR) thumbnails, and how you can start using them right away. First up, why do thumbnails matter? Thumbnails serve as the doorway to your content. You might have the best video in the world, but if the thumbnail isn't appealing, viewers will skip right over it. Research shows that personalized thumbnails appear in 90% of the top-performing videos on YouTube. An excellent thumbnail should instantly capture attention, generate interest or emotion, clearly express the video's theme, and stand out from the competition. Here's where artificial intelligence comes in. AI technologies can detect trends in viral thumbnails and create designs that are more likely to increase CTR. AI tools use a mix of machine learning, computer vision, and data-driven design. They analyze hundreds of high-performing thumbnails to discover what works. AI identifies faces, objects, text, and colors to optimize composition. These AI models have been trained on millions of YouTube thumbnails to identify the colors, fonts, faces, and expressions that boost interaction. Alright, here are some of the best AI tools for YouTube thumbnails. Canva AI is user-friendly and creates AI-assisted designs from customizable templates. Adobe Firefly offers AI-powered design generation with advanced customization. Photo AI automatically enhances faces, text, and backgrounds. Snappa AI is perfect for creating quick, professional-looking YouTube thumbnails. And Thumbly AI is designed specifically for YouTube thumbnail CTR enhancement. Now let's go over the step-by-step method for creating a YouTube thumbnail using AI. Step 1. Select an AI thumbnail tool. Choose any of the tools I mentioned based on your needs. For this example, we'll use Canva AI. Step 2. Choose the right template. AI algorithms often recommend high-performing templates based on your video's niche. Step 3. Upload your image or create one. Step 4. Optimize the colors and text. Use high-contrast colors like yellow, red, and white to draw attention. Use bold fonts to make text easier to read. AI will suggest font positioning based on viral trends. Step 5. Add enhancements. AI will automatically enhance facial expressions, colors, and contrast to make the thumbnail stand out. Step 6. A/B test your AI-generated thumbnails. AI tools like Thumbly AI allow you to split test multiple thumbnails to see which one performs better. Now, does AI really outperform human designers? AI is quick, data-driven, and convenient. But can it replace human creativity? Advantages of AI-generated thumbnails saves time and effort, data-driven CTR optimization, consistent branding, affordable, sometimes even free. Cons of AI-generated thumbnails: lacks emotional intuition, can appear generic if overused, manual tweaks may be necessary for better results. The best strategy? Combine AI and human creativity. Start with AI-generated concepts, then manually adjust them to incorporate your own branding and personal touch. To put AI to the test, we'll compare an AI-generated thumbnail to a human-designed one. We'll upload both and monitor CTR, impressions, and engagement. Results: AI thumbnail, higher initial CTR but quite generic. Human-designed thumbnail, more unique but took longer to create. Conclusion: AI-generated thumbnails can compete with skilled designers, but manual modifications can make them more effective. Final thoughts. Should you begin using AI? Artificial intelligence is changing the game for YouTube creators. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, AI can help you design thumbnails faster, increase CTR, and save money. If you haven't used AI for thumbnails before, now's the time. Try out Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, and Thumbly AI to see the results for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe for more AI insights, and leave a comment below. Will you trust AI for your thumbnails? Thank you for watching.